closer here, aren't we? We're getting closer. I see one more special piece here. Okay, this is what I need. This is what I need. Yeah. And then I can do this. There we go. And I see missing one more piece over here then.
Okay, that can be for one person. No.
Easily stuck.
Okay, maybe the dumpster one.
Turn it around, Forrest. Turn it around. Turn the yellow car around.
That one's dead.
Here's the other end. Okay. But sometimes they don't stick. See, that one doesn't stick, but this end does stick. Watch, see?
There you go.
So if one end doesn't stick, try the other.
Is even switching. They have power. We have three. At the very
Got that big one?
Oh, you can just
There we go.
take under the hood.
Okay.
Amber and Vanette.
This looks pretty good. What do you think?
For now.
Oh, you're back there.
Wait, well, in that case. Oh, wait, that was. Wait, I know the way. Oh, wait, it actually did. That was
Whoops.
one to check. Wired controller? Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's not.
Wired.
Wait, I have my own controller. Wait.
There we go. Rich? Watch this. Is it rich?
This one might also be cooked.
Open the gate over here, don't we?
Whoops.
There we go. Now we can go all the way through.
We have 4 controllers.
I think this one's
It doesn't
cooked.
work.
It's not cooked, right?
There we go.
Okay, we have 3 now. Well, this one's wireless.
Go around this way.